In today's video, we are going to show you how to withdraw from your Deriv account to your Binance account safely and correctly. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials inside the dashboard. All I have to do is simple. Go to the wallet section and click the deposit. All I have to do is choose the cryptocurrency you want to receive from Deriv. Now, this step is very important. You need to select the exact same network that Deriv supports because you will use it during the withdrawal process. For example, TRX, BNB, USD, Coin, USDT, Litecoin. In this case, I'm choosing Bitcoin. And what will happen is you will be forwarded here. You need to copy your Bitcoin wallet address carefully and then go to your Binance. Inside your Binance dashboard, scroll down until you find the withdraw section and then click the withdraw crypto. You need to select the coin and by default, it is directing you to the Bitcoin. But if you are transferring ETH, USDT, you want to make sure that you are on the correct network and selecting the correct coin. So we have the BTC, and remember earlier, you need to copy that exact address. Now remember to select the exact same network that Deriv supports, and that's going to be BTC. Type in the withdrawal amount, for example this, and click the withdraw section. Now, depending on your account, Deriv may ask for email verification, identity verification, or security confirmation. Simply complete the required verification step before continuing. After confirmation, the transaction will be processed on the blockchain. Depending on the network traffic, this may take anywhere from a few minutes to longer. You can monitor the transfer inside Deriv transaction history or inside the Binance deposit history. Once it's successful, the balance will automatically reflect here. And basically, that's it. That's how you withdraw funds from Deriv to Binance. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.